Here is the complete guide to becoming an Amazon seller, including setting up an Amazon seller account, listing products, and managing your online store. Step 1. Create your Amazon seller account. 1. Navigate to the Amazon Seller Central website. 2. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your seller account. 3. Provide the necessary information, including business details and bank account for payments. Step 2. Understand Amazon's policies and guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's seller policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. 2. Learn about product categories, restricted items, and performance metrics. Step 3. Source and prepare your products. 1. Identify products to sell and source them through suppliers or manufacturers. 2. Ensure your products meet Amazon's quality standards and regulations. Step 4. Create product listings. 1. Use the Seller Central dashboard to create compelling product listings. 2. Optimize titles, descriptions, and images to attract potential buyers. Step 5. Set competitive prices. 1. Research competitors' prices to set competitive and profitable prices for your products. 2. Consider factors such as shipping costs and fees when determining your pricing strategy. Step 6. Manage your inventory. 1. Keep track of your inventory levels to avoid stockouts. 2. Utilize Amazon's tools for inventory management to streamline the process. Step 7. Optimize for search (SEO). 1. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to enhance the visibility of your products. 2. Use relevant keywords in your product listings to improve search rankings. Step 8. Fulfillment options (FBA or FBM). 1. Decide whether to fulfill orders yourself, fulfillment by merchant (FBM), or use Amazon's fulfillment services, fulfillment by Amazon (FBA). 2. Understand the pros and cons of each option. Step 9. Provide excellent customer service. 1. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues professionally. 2. Positive customer reviews are crucial for building trust and credibility. Step 10. Analyze performance and optimize. 1. Regularly review your seller performance metrics on the Seller Central dashboard. 2. Adjust your strategy based on sales data, customer feedback, and market trends. Following these steps will set you on the path to becoming a successful Amazon seller.